we have the teaser for Surya's upcoming film with Trisha. This film is called Karup. Is it pronounced as Karuppa or Karuppu? Like, is the U silent or not? Let me know. And this is directed by RJ Balaji, and the music is given by Sai Abhyankar. So this is his first feature film composition, and his latest song which dropped, I have reacted to it. I have recorded my reaction. I'll just edit it out. Maybe I'll post that reaction over the weekend. But very, very excited for him. And yes, it's almost like a little over 1.5 minutes. So let's see what this teaser is all about. What is the movie all about? Let's go. Because the thumbnail looks deadly. Surya looks absolutely deadly. So yes, let's watch this teaser right away.
கற்பூரங்காட்டி கண்ணில் ஒத்திக்கிற சாந்தமான சாமி இல்ல, மனசார வேண்டிட்டு முளக அரைச்சா உடனே நியாயம் கொடுக்கிற முரட்டுத்தனமான சாமி.
Okay, instant justice. Okay. Oh, he's a lawyer.
எனக்கு இன்னொரு பேரு.
I love his look, huh? This looks epic.
இது நம்ம டைம். செம்ம அடி அடிக்க போறேன். தம்பி, சூப்பரா இருக்குடா.
Oh, that shot. Swag. Well, that was very energetic. That was very, very energetic. What did you guys think of this teaser? Huh? Let me know in the comments. Oh, sorry, it started playing again. So the teaser doesn't give enough context, which is okay, except that he's a lawyer who probably believes in delivering instant justice, because we get that dialogue in the beginning that the fiery deity, if you pray to that deity, will give, and if you apply some chili, something like that. Because there's this whole thing about the chilies that you see, right? And Surya with that ending shot also. So then you will get like instant justice is going to get delivered. So we see that Surya is fierce in this. He's unapologetic. He's having that massy presence. He's aggressive, but he fights for the right side. He fights for the common man. He believes in delivering instant justice. So how all of that fits into this context, we will have to see. But overall, I love that even the music, if you see, it's very much it's very festive. It's very festive in the sense that whenever we are celebrating our gods and goddesses, the kind of music that plays, which brings so much positivity and energy, it's that kind of music. I'm very excited for this movie's album. Firstly, I want to see how Sai does the song's composition over here. Plus, of course, when the movie releases, we will know how he has curated the BGM for this. But this looks extremely, extremely high octane, massy action kind of film. And can I just say, Surya looks like a zillion bucks. He looks phenomenal. Look, whoever did his styling, man, whoever did his styling in this film deserves a raise, because the hairstyle with the beard and the outfits, it's looking fabulous. It's looking fabulous. I mean, he's a handsome dude. We all know that. But I'm just saying, it's getting enhanced by the way he's styled in this film. I love that. I love that. So I'm gonna be really eagerly waiting for the trailer as always, because it's a Surya film and I absolutely love him. So we'll have to wait and watch. But so far, this looks very energetic and very, very entertaining as well. So let's see what all promo material we get. I'm also excited, like I said, for the songs also. And yeah, that was the reaction to the teaser of, you have to again correct me if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly, like is it Karuppu or is it Karuppa? That you can correct me in the comments. So yes, that was it guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this reaction, and I will sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.